One of the most important parts of the mixed-member proportional electoral system is the Sainte-Laguë method. So in today's video, we are going to discuss what it is and how it works. The Sainte-Laguë method is a mathematical method used to allocate seats in proportional representation electoral systems. It's used in countries like Germany, New Zealand, Sweden, and others. Here's how it works. Any system of proportional representation starts with an electoral threshold, which is the minimum percentage of votes a political party needs to receive in order to gain representation in the legislature. So, our first step is to exclude all the parties below the electoral threshold. Then, you take each party's total votes and divide it by a series of odd numbers, which will create a series of quotients. Finally, you assign seats one by one to the parties with the highest quotients until all seats are filled. It sounds abstract, but let's break it down step by step with a real-life example. Here are the results of the 2025 Canadian federal election in Nova Scotia. As you can see, the results were far from proportional, as the Liberal Party won 10 out of 11 seats in the province, or 90.9% of the seats, with only 57.2% of the popular vote. The Conservatives won only one seat, or 9.1% of the seats, even though they were chosen by 35.2% of the electorate. You can also see that the NDP did not win any seats in the province, even though it was the choice of 5.2% of electors. Let's see what the seat distribution would have been using the Sainte-Laguë method. First, let's take the results of the election and put them on Excel. Our first step is to exclude all the parties below the electoral threshold, which will be 5% in this example. That means that all of the parties highlighted in gray will not receive any seats because they failed to gain enough popular support in the election. The next step is to divide the number of votes received by each party by odd numbers, which creates a series of quotients. Now we select the 11 highest quotients from this entire array of numbers. Each quotient selected is one seat. So, the Liberals would have won 6 seats in this example, the Conservatives 4, and the NDP 1. As you can see from this comparison, the distribution of seats under Sainte-Laguë better reflect how people actually voted. So, why is Sainte-Laguë such a popular method? First, the formula is straightforward and easy to apply. Second, it delivers highly proportional results. Unlike some other methods, it doesn't give a big advantage to the largest parties over small and medium-sized parties. Third, it has been shown to produce the fewest apportionment paradoxes, which are situations where slight changes in vote distribution lead to counterintuitive results. In summary, the Sainte-Laguë method is a fair and transparent way to turn votes into seats. In the next video, we'll connect the dots and see how the Sainte-Laguë method works inside MMP to give voters both local representatives and proportional results. See you on the next one.